Clear the way, clear the way, clear the way. Oh, damn. We almost made it to round 15. Pistols only zombies, Nuketown. Never been done before. We better go to level 50. I'm that nice with it. You wouldn't know because I'm that nice. We better go to round 10. Round 10. Pistols only. I may go for round 15. Because I'm really like that for real. You may not know that, but I'm really like that. Oh, off rips. Swinging. They got some reach. I'm gonna need some knuckles. Put it right here. Come on, man. Sorry, I'm not doing that. I'm just not doing that. You're playing with me. I'm not about to duck down under a garage and get on the floor. Respect me. Respect me. Know yourself. Know your worth, boy. Bro, and don't ever disrespect me like that. Know yourself. Know your worth, fam. They tried to put the quick revive under here. Look, look, look. This is where they put it. This is where they put it. And they better not do it again. They put it right under here. I'm not doing that, fam. I'm not squatting down on my elbows. Put that joint right there or right there. I'll even take the yellow house, but don't even do that. Right there or right there. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. I don't talk at all. All right, fair enough. Baby, welcome to the party. I'm not too many zillion. That's why I'm moving retarded. So I'm moving retarded. Alright, fam. We need the... Oh. Really? On round 1? How helpful. How nice of you. Uh-oh. That's what feels off. Alright. Cause like I was about to get down. Okay, I forgot I was playing tactical. Okay. Okay. R3 is the, and then the knife at circle on tactical. I be forgetting about it. Like when the zombies be getting me in a corner, I be pressing R3, and that's why I be squatting. I be like, no, no. Okay, circle knife. R3 squat. All right, we're gonna get this door. Nah, actually not, because we need enough for that. BR32. Right here with that. Ooh. Weave. Weave. Alright, let me stop playing games. Alright. Alright, let me lock in, bro. Nah, because it's not even right. It's not even funny no more. Alright, lock in. That's not even right. Round 2, really? Really? Come on, man. Come on. And I was about to... I hate knifing. Like, is this like something that we could all agree on? Knifing just ain't it on this game, bro.
Double points.
Yeah, my aim doo-doo. My sensitivity is too high. Like, it's comfortable when I move around, but when I aim, it's too fast. You know what I mean? Oh, my God. Come. Boom! Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I'm getting a pistol, bro. I can't. Bro. Don't do this. How do you even refill this, man? Y'all know, go give me the $200? Thank you. Like I'm broke. Broke. Now I need 300 for my last quick revive for round 3. Like, I suck, bro. Actually, I'm the best there is. Come on, bro. Let me get this quick revive. I'm just like, I should make myself suffer without it for a few rounds. Just so I can lock in for real. And there goes my last one. Like, bro. Alright, fam. We need that mystery box. Honestly. We need some double tap too. My plan is just pluck them off one by one. I don't even want to train on them till I get a jug. I don't even want to train these I don't even want to do it to them. They just hooting and hollering today. I kind of like this challenge. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh. That's my last one. Bro, I can't do this challenge, bro. I don't know about this thing, man. It's just like, dang, bro. We got to get to round 10. Let's land it. Let's see what land over here. Oh, double tap. Yes. Yes, sir, Bob. Let me get 2,000. Oh, shit. Oh, yes, sweet baby Jesus. Alright, round 5, pistol only. Stop playing with me. We going for more pistols. Give me them double 5.7s or that can't take it. It's not a pistol. That's stupid. I should have just saved for double tap. I'm wasting money. Let me go out here before I freaking die. I'm going out like Tony, boy. Come over here, boy. Wrangle them up. Wrangle them up. Uh-oh, let me not get in that corner. Oh, shit, my aim. Like, stand still, bro. No, 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 no. All right, run that back. We gotta run that back. Not funny. Tip 2, surviving 10 rounds, just pistols only. Lock in. We was halfway there. I have to lock in. Alright. So, strategy. We gotta get that pistol off rip. We gotta like lock in really, and then I'm gonna try and go after the 5.7s and the pythons at the mystery box. But I don't want to do that too soon. I want to get like whatever falls, cause I had it. I had the double tap was a good perk to start off with, to be honest. Since it's pistol only, we really don't have to worry about speed cola like that. Just jug and double tap, bro. This is wicked. I'ma just deal with it. This is wicked, bro. Cause like, look, you can't lay. I could drink bro. You can't drink while you laying down, bro. Yoink, yoink. Who else want it? Get down here. Yoink. Who else want it? Yoink. We're locked in. I got another Celsius. I had a Celsius in my bones so I could think straight. I needed a Celsius and a claw. I needed a Celsius, a claw, and I needed some chicken teriyaki at the mall. Fam, true or false, mall Chinese food hits way better than any takeout. True or false, that bourbon chicken. Want some sample, big boy? I'm over here not pausing like I'm not playing solo, like I'm online. You want a sample, big boy? General Toso, chicken teriyaki, we have special 3 meat, rice, side combo, $10.99. $11.99 lunch special, big boy. I know you want big boy. You big boy. I see you eyeball food, big boy. Suck at them booty. Y'all remember them videos on YouTube back in the day? The prank calls? Suck at them booty, big boy. I see you, big boy. Oh, so you gotta like knife jump, weave bob, knife jump. They got the, weave. This is how we get better, fam. I had to put that switch on. I had to put that. All right, boom. Now we got the. All right, we're locked in, bro. It was my first game, so I was a little rusty, a little raggedy. We not gonna give them a chance to come out over the gate.
Double points.
I'm not even gonna give them a chance. Oh shit! What the? Oh. How, Sway? How? Oh yeah, that's what I like. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby, just like that. Just like that. Literally put a knife over up in my armpit, just like that. I think something dropped around here. Fam, accents is like, pack a punch. We got the pack a punch. Accents are so crazy how you can live in the like same like area and like one area people sound like slow and then the other area is just like, yo, what are you even saying? You know what I mean? Like we're all like in one country, you know what I mean? But it's just like we all have different accents. Like why you sound like that? You fucking stupid, dummy. That's how people in Maryland talk. Baltimore, dummy. I got friends in Baltimore, dummy. You fighting stupid. You try like stupid forever, dummy. I want a Mountain Dew tight shoes, dummy. Fight is you talking about, dummy. You fighting stupid. Jai like. Need some mumbo sauce chicken, jai like. Stupid, dummy. Alright, lock in. Bro, I remember I was at a family reunion in Georgia. Seeing family I didn't know I had. Bro, something happened. I remember homegirl said, that was her, daddy. That was him, daddy. And then something like, not the ambulance. Now me and my northern cousins, we're all from like Philly, New York, just everywhere up north. We're looking at each other. We're like, what the fuck are they saying, dude? Sound like they got peanut butter, sound like they got peanut butter in their mouth. You ever seen a dog eat peanut butter? That's what southern people be sounding like sometimes. But some southern people, you can understand. Some southerners speak in cursive, bruh. He's like, that was her, daddy. That was her. I was like, oh, she said that was her, daddy. That was her. Ambulam is ambulance. The ambulam. Bro, they speak in Scrabble, jigsaw puzzle, words with friends, ruzzle. It's like, oh shit. They speak in, you know, when all the letters is combined and you gotta figure out how many words you can make? That's how southern people talk. But like, you know what's crazy? The longer you hang around them, you just kind of start talking like them. It's just like, ew, yuck. Why? Why I sound like that? I became lazy in my speech. Oh shit. Tighten up, tighten up. Lock up, lock up, lock up. Lock up, lock up, lock up. Lock in. Weave, weave. 360. Weave. Right in your butt. Weave. One more. Weave. You know what's crazy too? Like certain Caribbean people, oh shit, I need that. Certain Caribbean people, like, I think I understand Haitians better. Like Haitians and Jamaicans. Like Grenada, one friend from Grenada, what was it? Not Bahamas. Barbados. Cheese, eggs, potatoes from Barbados. Arg! Those Caribbean people have a little pirate vibe to them. Me don't want that right there. Arg! But like, it's weird. I can understand some Caribbeans like better, like easier. And I'll be like, okay. It didn't take me like a few minutes. Bro. Ooh. Oh shit, I should have done that. Dude. Like, when you're around like certain cultures, it's just like you don't understand shit. Like imagine just pulling up on a boat. You don't know these motherfuckers. They speaking a language you don't know. It's just like, oh shit, that's scary. All right, they about to get wet up. Fuck. All right, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. Like fam, like to be honest, I understand some Asian a little bit. Like I know how to say grandma in Korean. Oh my. Hold on, watch out. Oh shit. No, don't do that. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Y'all cheating the train, bro. Y'all can't be doing that, bro. Oh, I need that max ammo. Broke. See what I'm saying? Why they put the quick revive all the way under there? Like, making me go through an obstacle course. But yeah, I think it's Bohemian from the Bahamas and Barbados people. I cannot understand. It's a little bit too heavy. But they be like, me gotta speak a little bit slow for you. Broken English, me speak a little slow for you. I'm like, huh? You calling me slow? I know. That's how Ja Rule talk. Yours is, yours is. We got the executioner. Got the executioner, baby. Yours is, yours is. I can't deny. Love when I look at you, baby. Alright, lock in, lock in. I think I'm moving too fast for these trains. I'm moving too fast, boy. Ooh. Don't rush. Slow touch. You ever just start emoting songs just to calm yourself down? You just start ad-lipping. You just start emoting random memes. You're like, fuck, what am I talking about? You ever hear a song and you just keep singing it? You just keep singing the same shit over and over for like a few days? I have a bad habit of listening to a song on like repeat for a few days, like a insane asylum, till I learn it. Or like enough of it. Oh! Give it to me, baby. Y'all don't want to give me that. Uh-oh, something dropping. It better be that job. It better be that job. It better be that job. I think I'm gonna stay in the back of green. Yes! Oh shit! No, no! I'm trapped! Woo! Get back, get back! You don't know me like that. Damn. They're all on my body. Oh shit. They're all on my body. They're all on my body. They're all on my body. I got no bullets. I got no bullets. Bam, round 8 with pistols only. Savage. We're getting to round 10. Alright, I might have to say fuck this. You wanna play rough? We're going out like Tony. We going out with a bang. We're going out with a bang. Bang. Banging on them. Oh, they're the last few. Hey, calm down. Calm down, buddy. Hopefully we could get like a python. I'll take it. That is a pistol in my eyes. Oh shit, let me get a... Hold on. Let me cut through there. Let me get the quick revive. Hold on, hurry up. Get it, get here. Get it. No, come on, hurry up. All right, good boy. Hold. All right, I need that speed cola. Shit. Uh-oh. Beautiful. I just want you to know I'm my favorite girl. When I look at you. All right, fam, lock in. We're locked in. Back at it like a crack addict. Oh shit, I went around that corner while reloading. Bold decision. All right. Does a ray gun count as a pistol, fam? No? I got it. It was, hey, game is game. Game is game. Round 9, pistols only. Come on, man. Come on, man. Game is game, man. Game is game, man. All right. We just gonna take them out one by one. We not even gonna train them, cause that's too risky.
Double points.
Get around that corner. Clear the way. Go back. Clear them. Clear the way. Watch your back. Clear them. Clear them. Watch your back. Get that insta kill. Clear them.
Insta kill.
You got it. Easy. Get them. Don't panic. You got insta kill. Fuck, I panicked on the insta kill. I hate that fucking self-revive, bro. It's in such a nasty spot. All right, kill them all on insta kill. Shit. Where they are? God, no. Reload. It's okay. Reset. It's okay, big brother. It's the last one, big brother. Let's go pack a punch, big brother. All right, it's either pack a punch or self-revive. Oh, I'm gonna get both. What would you do if you were me? All right, he gotta go. All right, fam. Round 10. Oh, wait, where am I going? Where's the fucking quick revive? Oh, it left. I have no more quick revive. Damn. They did the dirt. How could you do me so dirty? Boosie. We doing the ray gun. We going out with a bang. We going about it. Bang, boom, bow, bada, bow, boom, bow. Bam, y'all thought, bro. This is technically a pistol, gang. Ray gun. This is technically a pistol. I'm a rotate it for y'all. Come on now. Oh shit. Shit. We ain't having that. We ain't having that. Let me go around that corner. Let me go around that corner. Oh. We ain't having that. We ain't having that. We ain't having that. They trying to trap us. Trying to trap us like a toxic lady. We're running. We're running. You're not going to catch us. You can't take us out the game. We got to get that. Trying to take us out the game. Trying to take us out the game, chat. Oh, I forgot. I could just get that. About to light them up like the 4th of July, boy. Oh, shit. No. Ooh, ah. Almost panicked. Alright, where's your little goblin at? Whoa. Come on, give me some jug. Is that all you got? Is that all you got? Alright, y'all. Ryan 12, pistols only. And with a ray gun, if you want to count that as a pistol. We in there. We in there like swimwear. Yeah, I need to pack-a-punch that. That executioner is not a 1-2 tap no more. It's like a whole clip tap. You want to play rough? Okay.
Double points.
Oh, careful. 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 Oh yeah, get even. Come on, bro. You see it. Round 12. You see it. Let's pack-a-punch this thing, baby. They thought we was going down, but we still here. Let me get some monkeys. Now we about to be broke. This is a risk I'm willing to take. Because I believe in myself. Alright, get the fuck out of here, bro. I need some monkeys. Oh, he came fast. I need some speed cola. The key to life is having fun. Get over here. Clear the way, clear the way, clear the way. Oh, damn. Damn. We almost made it to round 15. Pistols only. I hope you guys enjoyed that, fam. Let me know if you guys want to see more of that. Trying to get to round 15 with pistols only.